Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to see WhatsApp group online member. How to do it. Basically there is not direct setting to see online member of WhatsApp group, but I will show you simple method the which you can see the online member of WhatsApp group. So let's start. First, any message WhatsApp group, just any message or emoji and WhatsApp group. And then tap to hold this message. Tap on three dot and tap on info. Here you can see the message delivered to person. That's indicates all this member now in online. Finally solve your problem. Thanks for watching my video.